We are at the top of the mountain. That's Lake Agnes over there. Look at that, so beautiful. And the glacier there. That's Fairmont Hotel, Lake Louise. And the Mirror Lake.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm sharing another hiking adventure into the Canadian Rocky Mountains. There are several hiking trails around the Lake Louise, and one of them is the Big Beehive Trail. This trail starts at Lake Louise and winds up to the Mirror Lake and Lake Agnes. Lake Louise is a hamlet in Banff National Park. It's world's famous for its turquoise lake. The color of the water comes from the rock flour carried into the lake by the meltwater from the glaciers that overlook the lake. And the lake drained through the 3 kilometers long Louise Creek into the Bow River. The lake is perfect for canoeing during summertime, and it turns to skating rink during winter time. Big Beehive Trail starts at Lake Louise, and the trail is 10.3 kilometers round trip. It is rated moderate. The trail is wide and well maintained. As we go up to the mountain, there are some open areas with no trees, so we can take a sneak peek to the lake and neighboring mountains. The big challenge here is it's steady uphill all the way to Lake Agnes, so we have to take a rest once in a while. We reached Mirror Lake after 1.5 hours of hiking. This is just a small lake, but this is where you can see the stunning view of the Beehive Mountain. We continue our hike to Lake Agnes, and at the entrance, as you can see, there's a beautiful waterfalls. Look at those two ladies there. Isn't it that dangerous? Oh well, they are brave. The trail gets harder and steeper from the Lake Agnes to the Big Beehives.
We've been hiking for 3 hours already. I'm so tired already. Very, very tired.
We are so glad we made it to the top of the mountain. The view from the top is amazing. It's totally worth every drop of our sweat. That very bad tourist there. That's Lake Agnes over there. Lake Agnes. There. That's the glacier there. And then the Mirror Lake over there. Lake Louise. There you go. Beautiful sight here. So true, it's absolutely epic. A million thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.